We are today here with the company Microporous in Austria. Microporous is producing high quality foil. Microporous is a company, for them it's very, very important to do a regular maintenance in order to see if they have problems or not, in order to react.
And therefore we will accompany our service team doing a checkup in Austria. What is important is a good preparation of the line. In this particular case, we are looking at a film line where in the first instance the melt is processed in an inline compounding process. After the feeding and melting zone, we can see that a special oil is fused into the process. In the next steps, the oil and the melt are homogeneously mixed. After the melt has been discharged from the ZSE 87 Max twin screw extruder, it is filtered through a rotary filter. In order to ensure an optimum pressure in front of the startup valve and the following flat film extrusion die, the melt has to go through the melt die. Subsequently, the film is cooled in a colander and shaped. But let's have a look at what our service technician does. He examines and measures all relevant points of the line, especially when it comes to wear parts like barrels or screws. This is a very important procedure, which has to be repeated regularly. When processes are changed or new processes are run on an existing line, it is wise to observe the line carefully and to note increased wear or eliminate weak points.
Microporous wants us to measure the wear of the extruder screw, and they want us to measure the wear in the barrels.
Here comes a capacitive measuring probe, which is matched to a ZSE 87 Max with a screw diameter of 89.4 millimeters. The probe is brought into the barrel and then axially moved. It measures the exact barrel diameter along the various barrel elements.
Therefore, we have a special equipment. With this equipment, we measure the wear and then we send the figures to Nuremberg. They are producing out of these figures a wear curve. This wear curve they send us, and we are going into a meeting discussing the wear and discussing the further actions. Further actions means we have to decide which kind of screw elements we have to change or which barrels we have to change. In this case here, I have already seen that there is maybe a little bit a problem of corrosion in the process, because I know in this line they have different materials, and it could be possible that there is, due to the recipe, a little bit of corrosion. But in this case, we have different steel qualities, and maybe we have to change from the steel quality what we are using in the moment to a more corrosion-resistant steel quality.
Whether checkup or maintenance, we are your partner during the whole life cycle of your Leistritz Extrusion line.